Let us discuss some problems on the probability chapter. Here, 23rd problem. A game consists of tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times. This is important. Okay. A coin has how many faces? Coin has 2 faces. And how many times? 3 times. So, the sample space S contains faces power times. That is 2 cube. Okay. That is number of coins. The number of outcomes will get the 2 cube. The number of sample space or number of outcomes, number of possible outcomes. How many? 2 cube equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Okay. Next. Noting its outcome each time. Okay. That in the experiment we note it down. Hanif wins all the tosses give the same result means that is 3 heads and 3 tails condition. That is a winning chance. First we write the sample space. S is equal to 3 times, that is 3 tails, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail. It is the coin 1, coin 2, coin 3 or first time, second time, third time. Okay, next take the head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head. Next 3 heads. These are the possible outcomes. 8 outcomes are there. What are those? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8 outcomes are there. That is number of sample space. Total possible outcomes are 8. What is the winning chance? Hanif will win when TTT or HHH occurs. Okay. What is the probability? Let E be the event which occurs 3 tails or 3 heads. Okay. Probability of E is equal to, that is the winning the game. How many 3 tails, 3 heads are there? 2. Total how many are there? 8. That is equal to favorable to 3 tails or 3 heads. This or that means 1 plus 1, 2 cases are there, or total outcomes equal to probability of winning the game or probability of the event or probability of win the game equal to 1 by 4. Okay. We want to find out probability of lose the game or probability of E complement equal to 1 minus probability of E or 1 minus probability of win is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 4. So, what is the probability? Probability of lose the game equal to 3 by 4. And you can take other case also. Lose the game means except of 3 heads and 3 tails. The remaining how many are there? 8 minus 2, 6. You can take this is or probability of loss the game means total outcomes are 8. What are the total outcomes in that 2 heads, 2 tails means minus 2. Remaining how many are there? 6. 6 by 8. 2 3s are 2 4s are. That is also 3 by 4. It is favorable to non-occurrence of 3 heads and 3 tails. You can take any method, your wish. 24th problem. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? In second case, 5 will come up at least once. Okay, that is the inverse, one to another inverse. First, a die has how many faces? 6 faces. And how many times? 2 times. So, the number of outcomes, number of all possible outcomes equal to 6 square. 6 into 6, 36. That is let the sample space S. Then number of sample space, that is number of outcomes in a sample space, N of S equal to 36. Now we are taking here sample space. What is that? Here, a die thrown 2 times. The one time is one number, another time is another number. Here, first starts on the first time we get 1, second time also getting 1. The possible outcomes total 36. How those are means 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. This is a 6 by 6. The first die phase 2, second die phase 1. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Okay, total 36 outcomes. In this, what is the first case? 5 will not come up either time. No 5 on the outcome. Let E be the event which is not occurring of 5 neither time. You take the 5 row. Okay. Next, take the 5 column. Okay. How many are there? These are 6. This is double time. We cannot consider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 6. But 6, 6, 12 minus 1. 1 is repeated. Total how many? 11. Okay. either time. It is not occurring. The remaining how many are there? Total 36. Faces has 5, 11. Okay. Number of faces has 5 or number of outcomes having the face 5. This is equal to number of outcomes having face 5. And 5 is not either type. Possible outcomes. How many? Total 36. In that subtract 11. Remaining 25. What is the probability of event E? P of E equal to favorable to non-occurrence of 5 either time by total outcomes. So P of E equal to 25 by 36. It is the first case. What is the second case? Let A be the event which is occurrence of 5 at least 1. At least once means if 2 are there, that is also possible. Minimum is 1. So what is the probability of the possible outcomes? P of A equal to possible outcomes favorable to 5 by total. How many are there favorable to 5? 11. Already we discussed. So P of A equal to 11 by 36. Both are favorable to 5, non-favorable to 5. You are getting the total outcomes, that is 25 plus 11, 36 by 36. Okay, it is the answer. 25th. Which of the following arguments are correct and which are not correct? Give reasons for your answer. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, there are three possible outcomes whose head, two heads, two tails, or one of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 by 3. Okay? What is the answer? No, I'm not agree with that. Why? The sample space. A coin has two faces and two times. Means number of possible outcomes are 2 power 2, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4. So the sample space set of collection of the possible outcomes. What are the possible outcomes? One coin tail, another coin tail, one coin tail, another coin head, one coin head, another coin tail, and one coin head, another coin head. Okay, these are the possible outcomes. From this, number of Outcomes how many? 4. Here, each and every outcome is, here we are taking the probability of 2 tails. How many are there in that sample space? 1 by 4. Probability of 2 heads. How many are there in the sample space? 1. Total 4. Probability of 1 head and 1 tail. Either tail and head and tail. 1 head, 1 tail. The probability is 1 head, 1 tail. Probability is 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So, I'm not agree with 1 by 3. Probability 1 by 3. Okay. The second problem. If a die is thrown, there are two possible outcomes, odd number or even number. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. First, we can say a die has 6 faces. 6 faces. Okay. Then the sample space equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this, odd numbers are how many? In this, the collection of odd and even. Number of odd numbers. How many? 3. Number of even numbers. How many? 3. Total how many? 6. So, yes, it is correct. Why? The collection of sample space only odd numbers and even numbers. In that, the probability of odd number is equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Probability of even number equal to number of even numbers in the sample space 3, total 6, 1 by 2. So, odd numbers and even numbers are equally likely. Here, possible outcomes, odd numbers and even numbers. Therefore, the probability of getting of an odd number is 1 by 2. Therefore, correct. Is correct. So, probability of odd number equal to 1 by 2. Example.